Hi, good morning all. This is Pradeep Ramkumar. I am the president as well as project manager of VP Digital Printing. This project is about setting up a new business unit, and we will be discussing the overall idea, overall picture, and about various aspects of implementation of this project. I'll be giving a brief introduction about the scope, goals, timeline, the teams we are expecting to work with, and our future meetings. So this is our area of interest. Basically, the business is going to be on digital printing, banners, catalogs, flex printing, invitation cards, business cards. All these are going to be our product on which we will be creating the business. So our major goal is going to be minimizing the production and operational cost, maximizing the productivity of a human resource, giving good customer service, as well as increasing our market share. This is our primary goal, and we will be achieving this goal by sharing the resource, by using different types of market strategy, a different type of cost benefit analysis tools, and we will be working on this scope. Basically, we will be having four phases. Each phase will give us an overall picture and will give us to what is the risk and reward and whether to proceed in creating the new business unit or not. So that's going to be the scope. Basically, we will be having a strategic plan in which we will be assessing basic or the core business idea, whether the business itself is feasible or not in the specified location. So that's going to be our self-assessment. About our second phase is going to be defining our business opportunity, where we will be calculating the market, operational cost, as well as different competitors, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages. All these things we will be discussing, or we will be getting everything evaluated in phase 2, and we will make sure we can proceed for the phase 3. In phase 3, we will create a plan for action. What are our strengths, what are our weaknesses, what is the assets, what is the threat, whoever the competition in the market. All those scenarios we will be documenting. Other than that, we will be forecasting the revenue as well as pricing strategy and overall profit which is expected from the project. So other than this, we will be creating a sales as well as marketing strategy to improve the performance as well as to improve the market share of this business. And our fourth phase is the major phase, where we will be implementing, or we will be committing all the resource needed for the project. So once we go to the fourth phase, there is no rollback, and all the capital investment will be cleared in the phase 4. So that's the scope. We will be working on this, assessing various scenarios and getting to the point where we will decide whether the capital can be invested or not. So that's the scope, and I have created a chart for our project deadlines, timeline. So basically, the project is like a little over 100 days, and starts from August 1st and is expected to end on December 31st. So that's the total project timeline. So each phases I have created, given them approximately 20 to 30 days of time period, or everything is a working day, nothing is like off working day. So each phase we will be gathering more informations and evaluating whether this setting up a new business is feasible or not. All these feasibility studies, all the market related items, everything will be analyzed in this project. So in our as we discussed in our phase 1, at the end of phase 1 we will have confirmation of decisions to proceed or not. Each phase will have similar confirmed decision to proceed, on which we will go for the next phases. So this is a short overview of our project timeline, and this is a team which is expected to work on this project. Basically, I'm the president and will be the project manager. Vijay will be vice president, and he's expected to be a business advisor. We have different line managers like marketing manager, production manager, sales manager. All these line managers are expected to provide cost and benefit analysis. So we have managers who will be reporting to the line managers, and they will give more details about operation cost, sales cost associated with each sale, and marketing cost. All these things will be decided by, or will be calculated by the managers. So this is our overall team, and some of them may join with later, but this is the team who will be working on this project. And this is the future meeting plan I have. So basically, for every Wednesday we will have project status as well as review meeting. After our phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, we will be having evaluation where we will decide whether to proceed with the project or not. So that's going to be our very important dates. So each phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4 is December 30, 2015 is the date for the startup of this new business. These are the action items which are expected to be delivered. So basically, based on our strategic plan and based on the evaluation of risk and reward, we will be getting all these action items committed. So basically, the investment capital will be committed on every month based on the progress of the project. Whether the machinery is finalized or not will be established in the 4th phase. Establishing a market strategy will be done in the 3rd phase. Implement the required infrastructure will be done in the 4th phase. Staff hiring and training will be done in the 4th phase. So these are like action items which are required for this project to be successfully implemented. And few more than that, what we are expected is about the status. So each week we will be discussing about the status of and we will be reviewing about the timeline in whatever way possible to shorten it or to increase the timeline. All these things we can discuss in the project status as well as review meeting. So basically, this is going to be our trend or scope on which we will be discussing. So this is as I discussed, this is our chart, where organization chart, where I myself will be president as well as a project manager. Vijay will be the vice president as well as advising. He will be advising on various aspects. So that is what expected from the specific people who are mentioned here. So based on all this criteria, we expect successful implementation of this project, and hopefully the business, whatever we are expecting, should go very well. Or So this is the overall picture. As I discussed, this is not a seasonal business. For example, invitation cards, banners, advertisement pamphlets, these are not expected to be seasonal, and it's expected to be year round. So when we come up with a very good marketing strategy, or when we come up with a good plan, implementation plan, I expect I completely, or I'm 100% sure that this project will succeed, and that this business will um, generate a good revenue for the organization. Thank you so much. Have a good day. So if you have any questions, we can discuss